In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a room in Planner 5D. First of all, head over to Planner 5D and start a new project. Once you are inside your project, the simplest way to create a room is by using the Build option on the left side of your screen. Click on Build, then go into the Room section, where you will find a variety of pre-made room shapes that you can easily import into your design. For example, you can select a simple square room and place it into your workspace. Once the room is placed, you can begin editing it in multiple ways. If you want to change the size, simply click on any wall and drag it inward or outward to adjust the length or width and reshape the room. When you click inside the room, you will see additional settings at the bottom of the screen, such as wall height, wall thickness, and floor height. The floor height controls how high the floor sits from the ground, while the wall height defines how tall your walls are. To better visualize these changes, switch to the 3D view. Then click inside the room again and adjust the height or thickness values. As you increase or decrease these settings, you will see the changes happen in real time. If you want to adjust the thickness of only one wall instead of all walls, simply click on that specific wall and modify its thickness individually, while the rest of the walls remain unchanged. If you want to create a custom room shape, you don't have to rely only on pre-made layouts. Select a wall and use the Add Corner option to split it into multiple segments. Each time you add a corner, the wall divides into smaller sections, allowing you to move individual points and reshape the room freely. This makes it possible to create complex layouts, such as adding outward bumps or bumps for windows, or designing unique architectural shapes. You can also add more rooms by going back into the Build section and placing additional room shapes. Alternatively, you can create rooms manually by selecting the Draw Walls tool. Click to place points and connect them to form walls, and once you close the shape, a room will automatically be created. This method is useful when you want full control over the exact layout and dimensions. After creating the room, you can connect it to other rooms and later add doors, windows, and other elements as needed. And this is how you can create a room in Planner 5D.